Megan Foley is the Salvation Army Emergency Disaster Services National Director, and she joins me now. Megan, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. How are you finding things out there? How are the conditions, and what are you responding to mostly right now?
Absolutely. It's a pleasure to be with you this afternoon. Winter Storm Fern is a widespread and long-lasting winter storm, and we are seeing effects of heavy snow and other dangerous weather conditions all the way across the Southwest through the southern states, and now beginning to cross over the eastern seaboard and into New England.
And so are there large demands for shelters quite yet, or are we not quite at that point?
Yes, the Salvation Army currently has warming shelters open from New Mexico across the South and the Eastern Seaboard. We are fortunate as an organization and as the largest non-governmental social services provider that we are already in most communities in the United States. We have over 7,400 service centers across the nation. And so we can quickly open any of those centers in order to provide a warm place for people to stay. So as you can see, we have several shelters already open, and they will stay open overnight. Services do vary by location. People can expect things like warm meals, hot drinks, and a warm and dry place to stay.
And you guys also have meals that are mobile, meal vans that make sure that people are fed around the country, right?
Absolutely. Our canteens are a major focus of our disaster relief services. Of course, right now they're not on the roads because the roads aren't safe at this time. But once the storm passes, we will be assessing what communities need and make sure that folks get the services that they desire.
How do you make sure that people on your staff, your volunteers, employees, are all safe themselves? I mean, it's pretty difficult and tough to be out there right now.
Absolutely. Great question. We prepare in advance and have several coordinating calls with our different territories and divisions before an event even happens. So we are touching base with our staff to make sure that all of our preparations are in place to serve our communities and that they have what they need as well. A couple of examples from this storm, we were on a call the other day and one of our emergency disaster directors had to take a call from the furnace guy because her furnace was out as well. So our responders are affected by the disasters that we serve at the same time.
And are you also concerned about how long and drawn out this could be, because you have the initial effects of the snow and the ice right now, but eventually that'll turn to freezing rain and really begin to weigh on power lines? I mean, this could be a pretty long response, can it?
Absolutely. And the Salvation Army is very concerned about our low-income residents and other vulnerable populations like the unhoused. So if folks can't work for 2 or 3 days during the course of a week, their paycheck is going to suffer. And that means there will be less money to put food on the table and to keep the lights on.
All right, Megan Foley, thanks so much. Really appreciate it.
Hey, everyone. I'm Emily Campagno. Catch me and my co-hosts Harris Faulkner and Kaylee McEnany on Outnumbered every weekday at 12 p.m. Eastern, or set your DVR. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page for daily highlights.